Hello guys, today I'll be showing you real quick how to fix the private member is unused error that you get for Visual Studio Code with the default Unity API calls. So basically when I googled around, people wanted to go into edit, they wanted to go into preferences, choose Visual Studio Code and then regenerate project files. And if you're anything like me, you did that and you realized it didn't work, so you started tweaking the fuck out. And I've been doing that for literally like 2 hours and I have found a workaround. So basically you want to go into the extensions, you want to choose the C# extension, press the cogwheel and make sure that auto update is disabled. You can also disable it up here. After you've disabled the auto update, you want to install a specific version and then you want to go to 25027, so 25027. I'm going to install that and then you'll go to the C# dev kit, press the cogwheel, make sure auto update for this one is off as well, and then install specific version. Here you want to go to 1.11.14. I'm going to install that one. Restart my extensions. So as you can see, my IntelliSense is up and running and I am no longer getting the error. This is a workaround. So from what I can tell, the issue is known and they are working on it in the November sprint as of 26th of November 2024. I'm going to be leaving links in the description if you want to follow the bug report on the GitHub page. If you don't care about that stuff, now it's at least fixed for you and you can try updating a few times whenever you want, see if it's fixed. If it's not, just go back to the previous versions. I'm going to be staying on this version until I've seen on the GitHub page that the issue is resolved. But I will leave a link for that. And anyway, hope this helped. Have a good day. Goodbye.